Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is Rashid Minhas. Today's lecture 5, my dear fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students. Today we'll read and understand the text and we'll cover page number 28 and 29 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 3, I have already taught you a poem about patriotism. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. And today we are going to learn further to use pre-reading strategies to predict the content vocabulary of text from picture and title. Recognize and locate some compound words from various text sources, for example, butterfly, football, homework, classroom, and whiteboard. Provide the missing letters in simple 2 or 3 syllable words. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Ahzab, verse 23. There are men among the believers who were true to their covenant with God. Some of them fulfilled and passed away, and some of them still wait, and they have not changed in the least. Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that the believers are true in their covenant with God. Covenant means promise. And what is being Muslim, our promise with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? That we'll spend our life according to Allah's command and we'll die for the cause of our religion and our country. These are the signs of true believers. And Allah is mentioning some of them have passed. This is in fact from the war of Ahzab. And few of them, because few Muslims were martyred in that war, that's why Allah has mentioned them in Quran. So this is the rank of a martyr who dies in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is what inshallah we are going to study today. First you tell me, can you tell what does the word patriotic mean? This word patriotic, what does it mean? And also name 3 famous patriotic personalities of Pakistan. So pause the video and answer these questions to your teacher. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered well. And now it's time to go to the text. First, you tell me, by looking at the picture and title, what do you guess what this story is all about? Once again, pause the video and tell to your teacher what do you predict about this story. Yes, my dear students, I hope you guessed it correctly. Rashid Minhas is the name of the person you can see in this picture. This is the picture of this person and this story is all about Rashid Minhas. So let's start from page number 29. I'm going to start reading from first line. Listen carefully because after me, it's your turn to read. Hero is a person that makes a nation proud. Pakistan has witnessed many brave heroes in its history. One of them is Rashid Minhas. He was born on February 17, 1951. He got his early education from Karachi. He had extreme passion. What does extreme means? Extreme means very large in amount or degree, means a lot of. And passion, what does passion mean? A very powerful feeling. So he had a very powerful feeling for what? And love for serving his country. So he had a huge degree of feeling and love for what? To serve his country. Due to this passion, he joined the Pakistan Air Force at the age of 17. He was posted at Mesroor, Air Base as a fighter pilot. So this was the designation, fighter pilot, which he was given first. So you tell me, how old was Rashid Minhas when he joined Pakistan Air Force? I just told you, so I want to find out how carefully are you listening. Pause the video, tell the answer to your teacher. Yes, you're right. He was 17 years old. Good. So it was 1971, the year of war with India, when something extraordinary happened. One morning on August 20, Rashid Minhas was about to fly the T-33 trainer jet when he saw his instructor Matiur Rahman signaling to stop. So this T-33 is the name of the jet which he was about to fly. And what happened? Something extraordinary means very special or unusual, which does not happen usually. And what that thing was, his instructor Matiur Rahman signaled, means he passed an instruction to stop. And why he was stopping? Rashid Minhas stopped the jet. He told Rashid Minhas that he was going to observe his flight as his trainer. He jumped inside the jet and took the instructor's seat. Rashid Minhas was not happy about this act. Why? Because it was going against the discipline of PAF. It was not in the favor of, like it was against the discipline of PAF. When the jet took off, Rashid Minhas realized, and what does realized mean? Okay, discipline means the practice of training to obey rules, and realized mean to understand a situation. So what he realized, he understand the situation, it was heading towards India. Immediately, what does immediately? Without waiting. At first, immediately, he informed the PAF airbase. So because the jet was going towards India, which was against their plan, so he immediately informed PAF airbase. And what is airbase? In fact, when jet flies, they are connected with an office that is called airbase. So Masroor, about the hijacking, this base was at Masroor, and he informed them about the hijacking of his jet. And what does hijack mean? To take unauthorized control of an aircraft. Okay. The instructor forced him to turn the aircraft towards India. Okay, so I'm stopping my reading over here. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and read all the content, then we'll move further. Yes, dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's a time for activity. I hope you have read it carefully, because I'm going to give you an activity from this text. What you are going to do, teacher will divide the class in 5 groups, and teacher will allocate time 5 minutes or as much as you want. Each group will list compound words. Remember compound words? I have taught you in lecture 3 when we join 2 words together to make a new word, that is called a compound word. So each group will list compound words from the text of unit 4, and the group with maximum correct compound words will be the winner. Okay, so all of you, teacher, kindly make 5 groups and conduct this activity. Pause the video, enjoy the activity. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? You listed all the correct words. Good job. So it's a time for individual activity. I just told you patriotic, what does it mean? So you are supposed to draw a picture on patriotic theme or about our flag. Our flag is also a sign of patriotism. So you will draw any picture of your choice. So this is individual activity. All of you are going to do it. Pause the video. Enjoy the activity. Yes, students, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for practice. All of you settle down and open your book on page number 34. Here are the words. You are supposed to provide the missing letters in the following words. You have to complete the word. You will read it first and then you'll, for example, let's cupcake. So what letter is missing here? A. You are going to put A over here. Likewise, you'll keep reading and complete the spellings. Pause the video. Complete this activity on your book. Yes, students, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. Write 5 sentences using compound words. And here is your worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And dear students, what you are supposed to do, you will match the word in column B to make a compound word. One word from column A, one from B, and you will make a compound word. And in this practice, you will separate 2 words, like you will break the compound word into one. It's basketball, so you will, it's a 2 words. It's a compound word, you will separate them. Okay, so in this way, what we have learned today, we used pre-reading strategies to predict the content or vocabulary of the text from pictures and text. We learned to recognize and locate compound words from text, and we provided missing letters in simple 2 or 3 syllable words. So in this way, we achieved our SLOs, used pre-reading strategies to predict the content, vocabulary of the text from pictures and title, recognize and locate some compound words from various text sources, and the compound words are butterfly, football, homework, classroom, and whiteboard, and provide the missing letters in simple 2 or 3 syllable words. Yes, my dear students, are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lecture. We'll complete reading this unit as well. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.